Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You begin by evaluating hair length and density, so you select an extension type that complements growth patterns and tension limits. Once done, wash with a clarifying shampoo, deep condition, and air dry or low heat blow dry to 90% dry. Make sure to detangle gently with a wide tooth comb to avoid breakage. Next, create clean horizontal sections from nape to crown, securing each section away with clips. This gives you precise anchors and prevents stray hairs during attachment. You now attach extensions systematically, starting at the nape and working upward. Align each weft or tape near the scalp, but avoid excessive pull. Comfort matters. If using micro rings, clamp gently. For sew-ins, stitch through braid anchors with even spacing, and for tape-ins, press adhesive firmly for full contact. Once multiple rows are set, release sections and blend by cutting layers into the extensions and texturizing ends, so your natural hair falls seamlessly. You finish by styling with heat protectant and low heat, curling or smoothing to match texture, and setting with a light hold spray. Make sure not to overload bonds with oils or heavy serums. If you feel tightness or see scalp irritation, address it immediately by loosening the offending ring or residing a weft. Discomfort signals incorrect placement. For long-term care, schedule maintenance every 6 to 8 weeks, and when removing, use the proper solvent or tool to prevent breakage.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.